Happy second week of school. It's Miss Edwards and
Mr. Brinkman.
we wanted to talk to you guys about all that wonderful technology you picked up last week. This is an MP3 school issued Chromebook.
And this is my personal laptop from home.
They are very different. We want to make sure you guys understand the difference. This one should only be used for schoolwork, anything related to your classroom, live or non-live work.
Even if family members want to use your laptop, tell them no. It is only for schoolwork and only to be used by you.
Yes, so families cannot use this one. Friends cannot use this one. Just you. Here is another tip as well. Anything you guys type or search, your teachers can see, and so can we.
What does that look like? So anything that is bullying, harassment, sexual harassment, anything negative, we get an alert with a screenshot of the actual site that you're visiting and using.
Oh my gosh. And you know what happens after that happens? When we get an alert, it comes right to our emails. And unfortunately, it's not just Mr. Brinkman and I that get the alert. It is also Miss Ansell, Mr. McGuire, Mrs. Machini, and others. And unfortunately, at that point, they're going to have to contact your parents.
So remember, Pirates, your school-issued tech and Chromebook are only to be used for school activities.
Right. So remember, no bullying, nothing explicit, no sexual content. Anything about you hurting yourself or others is going to create an alert that we all see. All right, Pirates, we hope you have a great day and a fabulous week.